Bonjour. We went over the verb avoir. It's your second irregular verb, both in class as well as in a tutorial that was assigned last week. By now you should be getting used to conjugating it through. J'ai, tu as, il a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont. The book gives you examples, talking about what classes you have, for example. Nous avons un cours de français. The book says à 10 heures, but for us it's à 17h45 ou à 6h moins le quart du soir. Est-ce que tu as un stylo? Do you have a pen? J'ai un cours le mardi et le jeudi. You can talk about all types of classes now using avoir. But now it's time to learn about making statements in the negative. There's a really important change in form that you have to get used to by practicing. So, of course, you can say, do you have a calculator? But how do you say, I don't have a calculator? Well, it's more than just putting in the ne and pas around avoir, which, by the way, would read like this. Je n'ai pas, for je. Tu n'as pas, for you. Il n'a pas, for he. Nous n'avons pas. Vous n'avez pas, ils n'ont pas, elles n'ont pas, for the plural. But there's more to it than that. When you negate, you also have to think about the article that comes before the object. So if you're saying, I have a calculator, if you say, tu as, j'ai une calculatrice, the correct negative form is, je n'ai pas de calculatrice. Any kind of indefinite article, un, une, des, is immediately turned into de, or even d apostrophe before a vowel sound. So, for example, Anne a un ordinateur. Anne n'a pas d'ordinateur. Anne a une calculatrice. Anne n'a pas de calculatrice. So, before calculatrice, de. Before ordinateur, it's that de, but with an apostrophe, so it makes d'ordinateur. Marc a un ordinateur. Marc n'a pas d'ordinateur. This is the same rule, whether it's masculine or feminine or even plural. The question here, Rachid cherche des stylos. How do you make that negative? Rachid ne cherche pas de stylos. Good. Il ne cherche pas de crayon. Il cherche des stylos. Il ne cherche pas de crayon. But then let's go to the le, la, les. Those are in a different category. Le, la, les don't change to de. They just stay le, la, les. They're just le, la, les, no matter what. So if someone's talking about a specific book, for example, vous avez le livre? You know, in that case, you're saying the book I was talking to you about, the book that I wanted to buy. Vous avez le livre? Non, désolé, je n'ai pas le livre. Vous avez la bicyclette? Non, je n'ai pas la bicyclette. Vous aimez les maths? Non, je n'aime pas les maths. Vous étudiez les sciences? Non, je n'étudie pas les sciences. Vous avez un cours de sciences? Non, je n'ai pas de cours de séance. There are a few activities that have been assigned. I don't have them in front of me right here. Let me see if I can look at them. Uh-oh, I hear my son coming, so I better stop this before he screams. Those activities that you have will help you practice talking in the affirmative and the negative. Voila. The other activities assigned will be working on expressions with avoir, those idiomatic expressions.